Good morning, class. Today is Tuesday, April the 14th, and we're almost to the end of this semester, so try to hang in there. Just want to go over a few things for your class this week. We are doing Chapter 12, Other Punctuation. Here's the PowerPoint file for you. You have these three assignments in Chapter 12, Chapter 1, Level 1B, Level 2B, and the Real World Editing Exercise. And then you actually have the Unit 5 test, which is going to be multiple choice. I think it's 40 questions, 42 questions, something like that, for Chapters 10 through 12. And then you have your digital badge assignment this week. Basically, you just need to open up this document here, and I'm going to open it. And there are 3 situations in here. Okay, so you just pick one of those situations. Okay, and then you're going to research this, what they call the NEAR method, and there's a link here. So read that information, and then apply that to the situation that you choose, and just record it like you would in the screencast method. You can, do like a PowerPoint or, whatever you want to do. Upload it to YouTube and grab your link. And also in this handout right here is the grading rubric. It's at the very bottom. And then this is just some more information down here if you need to read that. Very simple process. Anyway, I just wanted to go over that with you this week. And if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. Again, I don't know what's going on your end, and there's just no way I can know. So communication is the key. So if there's something I can help you with, please feel free to let me know. Okay? I hope everybody has a great week. Thank you.